A pleasant day, everyone. Given the problem of a crowded area where housing is too expensive and local shops are closing down, we came up with this solution.
So we have here our urban culture solution. So first is transform the neighborhood into a recognized cultural district that highlights its unique identity instead of replacing it with a generic commercial space. So it means that let's turn our community into a cultural hub that celebrates its own special character, tradition, beliefs, and heritage, rather than letting it become just another ordinary shopping hub. So next is support creative industries such as local fashions, crafts, music, film, and design by providing affordable pop-up spaces and community art zones. So it means that we should support our local artists, local crafts, music, films. So by giving them cheap rents, specific venue or area that they can show or sell their works. Next is launch and support local campaign to build community pride and increase customers' loyalty for neighborhood shops. So this means that let's promote campaign encouraging our people from local businesses to boost the residents' pride in their community and make customers and neighborhoods, no? So dapat encourage na to ang mga people na i-support ang local businesses for us to grow. So last but not the least, let's promote collaboration between our artists, entrepreneurs, and residents to create a cross-pollination of ideas that stimulates innovation. So this means that let us encourage our artists, business owners, and local artists to work together, sharing their own ideas and interpretations, and inspirations, which can lead to a fresh innovation projects and development in our community.
From the set issue, our government also offers different solutions to help our local businesses. First is to establish public-private partnerships with clear social equity conditions to prevent exclusive luxury development. So instead of giving them a hard time for luxury products, why not try to enforce public-private partnerships so that what they can have is more affordable for them. We also have conduct regular community consultations to ensure inclusive planning and representation of marginalized groups. So it's very important for our government to maintain and to conduct regular community consultations to make sure that the needs of the local businesses are being met by the government itself. So it's very important to include them as well, since they are from the marginalized group, for them to feel involved and to feel appreciated in their field of expertise. So we also have used data-driven decision making to monitor housing affordability, land price increases, and the survival rate of small businesses. It is very important to gather statistics about if the business is thriving or if the business is surviving. It's also important to make sure that the housing affordability is being monitored so that we can be positive that our local businesses is earning and not being bankrupt. And lastly is to ensure transparency in budgeting and development approvals to maintain public trust. It is very important to be transparent and make sure that our local businesses knows where their money is going And it is also the responsibility of the government to make sure that they are aware and to give receipts of where the money is going to the businesses. So from Given Solutions, our goal is to protect affordable housing, support local businesses, and promote sustainable development. Thank you.